Hello, I'm in LIGNA Preview 2025 and I'm talking to Tomasz, the CEO of VisionX. How are you, Tomasz?
Pretty good. Thank you for this nice introduction. Also, nice.
So, you are exhibiting first time in LIGNA in 2025.
Yes.
What exactly you exhibit?
So we are like machine vision solution provider from Poland, and we have our standard machine prepared. This is a drilled holes measurement system. We measure position and diameter of drilled holes in the furniture business. So very good machine. Yep.
So can you explain what visitors can expect from you at your stand?
Mm-hmm. We are a part of LIGNA FutureSquare, so exhibiting with the DMA startup machine, and we plan to exhibit our machine over there. So please come and see how it works, how it detects the holes, and you can check it live in May.
Okay, LIGNA is celebrating 50th year, and this is the first time you're exhibiting. How excited are you?
I'm super excited. That's why I'm also very happy to be part of LIGNA Preview, actually. And this is our first time in such a big fair, but it looks amazing, so can't wait for it to come.
Thank you so much for talking to Wooden Panel.
Thank you. My pleasure.